Today we have the LG fridge, 215 liters. This fridge comes with a 2-year warranty, plus on the smart compressor it has the 10-year warranty. This fridge has plenty of room huko ndani hapo kwa freezer as you can see, plus inakuja na ice cube maker na plus place ya kuweka your eggs, mayai hapo ndio hiyo. It is a fridge that has plenty of room as you can see. Hapa chini we have the pull out tray which is easily accessible na kutoa ni rahisi, you just pull out. Ndio hiyo the adjuster, this is where you adjust from cold to the coldest.